Ni hao and welcome back. After spending hours in front of a computer or staring at the phone screen, how would you like to relax your eyes? Why not try this self-massage routine, which only takes 5 minutes, but can help you regain your bright and clear eyes. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's do a simple and short warm-up to activate your eye contour. Close your eyes, stabilize your head with your thumbs, and massage the orbital bone with your index finger. The first point we'll stimulate is called 精灵, which translates to clear eyes. Close your eyes, you'll notice a hollow area right above the inner corner of the eye. That's the 睛明 point. We use index finger to press the 睛明 points for 1 minute. Next, we have the 四公主 point, which means silk bamboo hole. This point is beneficial for relieving headaches caused by eye strain. It's located on the upper edge of your eyebrow tail. You'll find a hollow spot, and that's the 四公主 point. Massage the two 四公主 points with your index finger for 1 minute. Moving on to the third point, we have 四白, which means full breath. This point is often used to alleviate eye swelling or pain. First, let's find the lower orbital bone. 1 thumb's distance below the lower orbital bone, in line with the pupil. you find a slight hollow here. That's the spike point. We'll massage the two spike points for 1 minute. The final point is 太阳, which literally means sunshine. It was also introduced in the video for relieving headaches, in case you'd like to check it out. Between the end of your eyebrow and the hairline, there's a big hollow. That's the 太阳 point. We'll massage the two 太阳 points together for 1 minute. Oh, I feel my eyes are refreshed and brighter now. How about you? Share your feelings in the comments down below. And if you'd like to see more tutorial video from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll see you very soon. Bye!